Hello, it's Dumplet here. Here's an item on geometry. Here we have a 2x3 rectangle and two quarter circles inscribed in the rectangle as shown in the figure. The top portion here is region A. The bottom portion here is region B. Which of these two regions has a bigger area? As usual, pause this video if you'd like to give this item a try. But if you're done, let us dive into the solution. Alright, so we have two regions, A and B. They are not really known figures, so surely we could do some addition of areas again in this question, so we can get the area of more specific or more familiar shapes, because we do have a lot of quarter circles and a rectangle, so it might be a little bit easier to get the area of those. So first of all, let's try to label the left and the right portion. So this part would be region X, and because of symmetry, this would be region X as well. Now we can do some addition of areas, because if I add region X and region B, that's going to become a quarter circle. So X plus B should give me the area of the quarter circle. But what's the area of the quarter circle? Well, the quarter circle has the formula pi r squared, that's for the circle, and divided by 4 because it is a quarter circle. And we know what the radius is because we're given that the dimensions of the rectangle are 2 and 3, right? So this 2 serves as the radius of the circle. So it's going to be pi times 2 squared divided by 4. Well, 2 squared is just 4, so we can cancel that out nicely. So we know that x plus b would have area pi. All right, so that's 1. And let's try to now focus on A. So aside from x plus b having area pi, let's try to combine x and A, forming this region over here. All right, so this region, we can represent this region as the entire rectangle minus a quarter circle. So x plus A would be the entire rectangle, right? The entire rectangle. And then we just kind of subtract this area, which is a quarter circle. Now, we already have the area of a quarter circle, which is pi, all right? So all we have to do is just get the area of the rectangle. But the rectangle has dimensions 2 and 3. So the rectangle is just simply length times width. 2 times 3 gives us 6. And we have to subtract pi for the area of the quarter circle, right? Now that we have equations 1 and 2, we can try to do some observations here because, well, we are trying to compare A and B, so we can try to take the difference of A and B. Now, let's try to subtract the first equation from the second one. I'm going to get that B minus A would be equal to pi minus 6 minus pi. So B minus A equals pi minus 6 plus pi. That's going to give us 2 pi minus 6. Now we know that pi is approximately 3.14. And well, 2 pi, so 2 pi would be approximately 6.28. So 2 pi minus 6 is about 0.28. And that's going to tell us that it's greater than 0. Now since B minus A is greater than 0, we can add A to both sides. We're going to get that B would have a larger area than A. And this will be our final answer. Hopefully you guys learned something new from this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!